Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy PEPE coin on Binance. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, if you haven't already created your account on Binance, then I will put the link of Binance down in the description box below. So you can use that link in order to get $100 worth of trading discount. After the successful creation of your Binance account, you will be redirected on the home page where you will have to use the search bar in the top, and here you will have to type PEPE/USDT. Once I've done that, you will be landed on the chart of PEPE coin. Now over here in the bottom, you are going to see the option of buy. So you will have to tap on buy. Over here, you need to enter the amount of PEPE coin that you want to purchase. You can even use this slider in order to slide it and it will automatically take the USDT. Then you just have to enter the amount in USDT as well, and then you need to tap on buy PEPE. Afterwards, your order will be placed and you will be able to easily purchase it on Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.